In this video, I'll show you how to use our free UTM generator to easily create UTM tags to monitor your website traffic sources. If you don't know what UTMs are, you should definitely read up on them as they are highly important for proper marketing. I will link to our related article in the description. Once you open the UTM generator, you will see different input fields. Let's say we want to create the UTM code to track the performance of a Christmas offer promoted with a Google banner, for example. In the first input field, we simply insert our website URL, in this case www.neontools.io, and as you can already see, the UTM is generated automatically. Next, we indicate the traffic source, in this case Google AdWords. After that, we indicate the marketing medium, which can be an email or in our case a Google banner. If we run different campaigns, we can tag the product, promo code or slogan to know which campaign we're talking about. So let's just call this one Xmas for Christmas offer. Last but not least, you can add a keyword if you use this URL to track the performance of a specific keyword, and you can use the content field to differentiate between two split testing campaigns, for example. Once you are done, you can simply copy the URL by clicking this button down here and boom, you got yourself a neat UTM code. Pro tip, you can avoid posting long URLs like the one we created by using our Neonly URL shortener. And that's how you use our UTM generator. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.